30 days ago, a lot of us thought AI was complicated, intimidating, maybe not even for people like us. And here you are, 30 tips later. So today, let's just take a moment and celebrate that. Look how far you've come. You learned how to actually talk to it, you put it in your pocket, and a little at a time, you turned it into something you reach for without even thinking. That's huge. Think of everything we covered. For your work, batching a whole month of content, taming the inbox, building a website with no code, growing an email list. The busy work that used to eat your day. For creating, turning one idea into a week of posts, a rough thought into a short video, a blank page into a first draft. You basically became your own little content studio. For real life, planning a trip in minutes, a week of meals and a grocery list, decluttering your home and your devices, getting a grip on your money. All that quiet mental load lightened. And for you, learning a new skill in half the time, acing an interview, turning a big goal into a 30-day plan, beating the procrastination that kept you stuck. A coach who never runs out of patience. And lately, for your calm, better mornings, deeper sleep, and untangling an overwhelmed mind. Because the goal was never just to get more done. It was to feel a little more human while you do it. So, what did we really learn? Lesson 1, you never needed to be techie. If you can hold a conversation, you can use AI. That was the whole point of this place. No jargon at the door. Lesson 2, you are always in charge. AI drafts, suggests, and speeds things up, but you decide. It's the world's best assistant, not the boss. That's exactly how it should stay. Lesson 3, and it's our whole slogan. Small and daily beats big and rare. 3 minutes a day done consistently, quietly changed how you work and live. Little keys open big doors. Lesson 4, just ask, then refine. Be specific, see what comes back, and nudge it. Shorter, warmer, try again. The magic was never one perfect prompt. It's the easy back and forth. And lesson 5, the one under every episode. Keep the human in it. Double check what matters, protect your private info, loop in a real professional for the big decisions, and be kind to yourself along the way. Now the most important part, thank you for showing up, for the comments, for trying the tips and telling me how they went. You didn't just watch a channel, you turned it into a community. I mean that. And because I didn't want any of this to get lost in the scroll, I pulled it all together. Every one of these 30 tips in one guide you can actually keep coming back to. Introducing the AI Speakeasy Handbook. All 30 episodes, every step, and every prompt in one beautifully designed guide. Something you can keep on your desk and flip open anytime you're stuck. It's available now, the link's right below. And don't worry, this isn't goodbye. 30 was a milestone, not a finish line. The tools are yours to keep now, the stool's still warm, and I'll keep pulling up new ones for you. So here's my one last ask. Don't let these stay ideas. Pick a single tip, anyone that stuck, and actually use it today. Knowing is nice, but doing is where your life quietly gets better. Look at who you became over 30 little sessions. Someone who uses these tools with confidence, who saves time, thinks clearer, and stresses a little less. From curious all the way to capable. Proud of you. If I had to put all 30 episodes into one sentence, it's this. AI is a friendly, powerful tool, and it's absolutely for you. Use it a little every day and let it hand you back your time. So pour yourself something good, and here's to you, for starting and for staying. New tips will keep landing, so keep checking back. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool. This bar's always open.